Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom, Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine over there. In the previous class, we have discussed about the main features of North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And we also discussed the next domain of the earth, that is hydrosphere. Hope you learned that portions. Today we will start with the topic oceans. Oceans are the major part of the hydrosphere and they all are interconnected. And the ocean waters are always moving. Do you know what are the three main movements of ocean water? They are
waves, tides and ocean currents. Then children, do you know what are the five major oceans on earth? Here you can see the five major oceans in order of their size. First one is Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Then let's discuss each of these oceans in detail. First one is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world and it is spread over 1/3 of the earth. And another interesting fact is that it is almost circular in shape. That means circular form. And it is surrounded by Asia, Australia, North America and South America. And one of the most important thing is the greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. So these are the main features of Pacific Ocean. And the next one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. And it is as shaped. And it is the busiest ocean in the world. But why? It is because the coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. Do you know what is indented coastline? Indented coastline are those coasts where the coastline is not smooth and there are number of cuts and bays all along the coast giving rise to number of deltas and creeks. That is why this irregular coastline provides ideal location for natural harbors and ports. Therefore, Atlantic Ocean is good for trade and commerce. From this point of view, it is called busiest ocean in the world. And this ocean is surrounded by North America and South America on the west and Europe and Africa on the east. So these are the main features of Atlantic Ocean. And the next one is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. And the shape of the ocean is almost triangular. And it is bound by Asia in the north, Africa in the west and Australia in the east. So these are the main features of Indian Ocean. And the next one is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica and it extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. So these are the two main features of Southern Ocean. And the last but not the least is Arctic Ocean. And it is the smallest ocean in the world. And it is located within the Arctic Circle. And it surrounds the North Pole. One of the most important thing is that Arctic Ocean connected to the Pacific Ocean. How is it possible? It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. In the previous class, we have already discussed the term strait. What is strait? Strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans. And Arctic Ocean is bound by northern coast of North America and Eurasia. All these are the main features of Arctic Ocean. With this topic, we are ending the topic of hydrosphere. And in the next class, we will discuss the next domain of the Earth, that is atmosphere.
So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.